The Bahadar International Stadium coverage of the Betking Ethiopia Premier League does continue with a battle between the 15th placed Jimmaa Abbaa Jifaar against the 8th placed Hadiyyaa Hosaana. Jimmaa Abbaa Jifaar, whose best campaign was in 2017-2018 season when they won the Ethiopia Premier League, have looked a pale shadow of themselves and are now sitting precariously in 15th position on 20 points, having conceded a whooping 35 goals and scoring only 20 goals. Another ball here coming in from Masood Mohammed, just looking at Messiah Yano, who was out of his line, and from a distance of about 40 yards, just trying to beat him at that distance.
Look at what he does. Looks at the keeper, Ayano not in his line, and the ball come menacingly close.
Bayegezen with a good shot coming in. Goalkeeper Alazar Marcos. Well, he's just in right position there to thwart that shot coming in from Bayegezen.
Look at how it is. Shot coming in there. Oh, the goalkeeper had to work so hard to get it out.
Again, won by Masood. They're trying to clear. It's picked in the midfield by Mikhail Jojo. Samson Telawunda, good shot coming in again from a distance. Giving time a shot. Again, a good stop. Good reflex action coming in from Alazar Marcos. Too much space that was accorded to Bayegezen. He brings the ball back to his right foot, and with the goal as Basi trying to pick the ball at the near post. And pass down the flank to look for Mohamed Noor, and again the goalkeeper comes out at the nick of time. Messiah Yano almost for the second time in this game, just coming in at the nick of time. He was already pulled out of his position, and the ball was actually heading to the goal.
Yes, you can see the float there. He was getting, that was almost an own goal.
Ednan, he cuts through the midfield and wants to get at the 1-2 between him and Mohamed Noor. They try to play the ball wide. Again, he picks the ball wide. Lemayu with a good shot. Messiah Yano just comes in and puts the ball outside from a good shot coming in from Eyob Alemayehu. And again, the ball lands into the path of Masood Mohammed. A good shot coming in there. Again, very good reflex action coming in from Messiah Yano.
Yes, if you look at it properly, it was taken first time. Very good technique there.
The crucious place here for the Jimmaa Abbaa Jifaar can be able to convert. Stefanos there with a good goal in. Stefanos just finding Messiah Yano flat-footed. That's a well-executed ball there coming in from Masood Mohammed. Masood Mohammed, who won the league with Pune in 2011 and has taken a role in the campaign for the 2022-2023 campaign and the AFCON with the Warriors. No, just beats Messiah Yano at a very crucial spot. No chance. Samson Telahun and is still in contention. A good shot coming in from Bayegezen.
Look at what happened previously. Created space for himself and gave it a shot. One of the best chances there. And you can tell the goalkeeper being alert, knowing what his environment looks like.
Well, trying to find a Yasu on the wider areas. Telahun with a good shot coming in. And a good save here by Alazar Marcos. Again, Alazar Marcos was off his line. And with a rasping shot coming in from Samson Telahun. That's good reflex action. Well, they're still in play here. And trying to find a space to be able to take a shot. And it hits the upright. It's good build-up in coming in from that man, Bayegezen, who just rolls in between the two central defenders. Sends everyone to the gutters, but again, at this particular point, it's only the upright that saves Jimmaa Abbaa Jifaar from conceding.
Yes, it was like he was gliding on ice, leaving defenders down in his wake, but the upright denies him a golden opportunity.
Well, from us here, from Bahadar International Time is full-time, Jimmaa 1 and Hadiyyaa Hosaana 0.